AI is replacing workers. Maybe not your job today, maybe not next month, but companies everywhere are looking for ways to do more with fewer people. And that's why millions of workers are starting to ask a question they never had to ask before. Am I replaceable? Because let's be honest, most people aren't worried about robots and technology. Most people are worried about paying their bills and taking care of their family. Most people are worried about not having a paycheck to be able to travel and do the things that they want to do. And if AI can do some jobs faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than people like me and you, then what happens next? And that's what we're talking about today in this video. Welcome back to Steps to Prosper. I want to have a real conversation. Nothing about politics and nothing about technology lecturing. This is just a real conversation with real people with real jobs. Because whether you work in the office, a warehouse, a hospital, a school, or behind a computer, you've probably noticed something. The world is changing fast. And for the first time in a long time, many workers aren't sure what comes next. 5 years ago, most people never talked about artificial intelligence. And now today it's everywhere, from the little school children all the way up to senior citizens who've retired. AI can write. AI can answer questions. AI can create images. AI can analyze information. Artificial intelligence can help businesses automate tasks that once required employees. And every time technology gets better, workers start asking questions. Not because they're lazy and not because they're afraid of work, because they're trying to understand where they fit in this world of artificial intelligence where AI has officially taken over. If software can do something in seconds that used to take hours, companies are going to pay attention. That's just business. And workers are paying attention too. I don't think workers are afraid of AI. I think workers are afraid of uncertainty. There's a difference. Most people can handle hard work. Most people can handle challenges. What people struggle with is not knowing what happens next. Think about it. If you're 45 years old and you spent 20 years building a career, hearing that technology is changing, everything doesn't feel exciting. It feels uncomfortable because now you're wondering, will my skills still matter? Will my experience still matter? Will my employer still need me? These are real questions, and they're questions millions of people are asking right now. For years, workers were told, work hard, be reliable, gain experience, stay loyal, and eventually you'll get ahead. But many people feel like the rules are changing. Housing is more expensive. Everything costs more. Competition is increasing. And now technology is advancing faster than ever. Workers are looking around wondering, is hard work enough anymore? Because if someone can use technology to become twice as productive, what happens to everyone else? That's the conversation many people don't want to have. Honestly, everyone, students, workers, managers, business owners, parents, these are all the people who should pay attention to what's going on with artificial intelligence, what's going on with AI and how it's impacting our schools, how it's impacting our jobs, how it's impacting our way of life. I mean, again, it doesn't matter what your income level is, and it doesn't matter what job you have. I mean, this also affects parents. This affects people like me and you, because nobody knows exactly how this plays out. Some jobs may change dramatically. Some jobs may barely change at all, but we don't know which job that is, at least not yet. Some entirely new opportunities may be created. But one thing seems certain. The workplace 5 years from now probably won't look exactly like the workplace today. And it definitely won't look like the workplace of yesterday. And ignoring that reality won't stop it from happening. Now, before anybody thinks this video is about doom and gloom, it's not. You see, every major shift in history created winners and losers. The internet did. A lot of you all remember the internet and when it became something. Computers did. Smartphones did. And AI probably will too. You see, the goal isn't fear. The goal is simply awareness. The people who pay attention usually adapt faster. The people who adapt faster often find opportunity. And the people who refuse to adapt usually struggle the most. And I'm not saying that just because you may not be a person that's excited about AI and artificial intelligence that you should just give up or you should just stop working because you feel like this is inevitable, is going to happen. No, what you want to do is try to stay aware of these changes. If you look at a lot of these bigger companies and you look at a lot of these, one percenters and CEOs like Elon Musk or anybody like that who's working in the areas of artificial intelligence or communications of artificial intelligence and taking things to the next level. You got people like Meta who are spending a lot on CapEx and all these other big tech companies. I mean, it's happening. Even they're, getting a certain way where it's like, okay, we know that this artificial intelligence is going to happen, but we want to be the first to get to this AI first. If we can be the ones to be groundbreaking, then they're going to keep spending and keep doing what they do. I'll give you an example. Something recently that just IPO'd in a stock market was the SpaceX IPO on June 12th. That is a company that is planning to do so much more in this artificial intelligence. And this video is not to talk about that part per se, but I mean, pay attention to what Elon Musk and his team with SpaceX is trying to do. Think about it. Things are going to change. That's why people are spending money to change it and getting ready for the change. So let me ask you something. Do you think AI is making workers more valuable? Or do you think it's making workers easier to replace? Because whether we like it or not, this conversation is only getting started. AI is replacing jobs. No lie. The real question is whether your job could be next and when. Take a little bit of consideration when I talked about awareness, because we may know something is going to happen and it's already in the process of happening, but awareness will allow us to reposition ourselves if necessary so that we can stay up to date as to what's going on with artificial intelligence, AI, as well as where the world is actually going and how it's going to continue to impact our schools, as well as our own jobs and how we live our lives day to day. So let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoy conversations about work, money, and the future of everyday workers, subscribe to Steps to Prosper. We'll be talking a little bit more about AI and artificial intelligence and how we can really, figure out the best ways to get adapted to this as workers and real people.